Good day guys, today I'm going to show you how I build my bamboo water fountain. At the start of every project I always draw, just to give me an idea on how the project will look like. And here are the materials that I used for the project. A miter saw box, some black rope, a submersible pump, some liquid nails, a scissor, some rubber tubing, a saw, and some spare bamboos. I also used a rotary tool in this project. After preparing the materials, I started measuring the bamboo poles and started cutting them depending on the design of the project. After cutting each part of the bamboo water fountain, I drilled a hole for the rubber tubing to fit through. And then after fitting the rubber tubing through the holes that I drilled, I used a liquid nail adhesive to secure the two parts together. I use some rubber bands to position it in place and leave it overnight to allow the liquid nails to dry. In here, I also used the instant nails adhesive to attach another bamboo part. To provide support for the joint, I used some black rope and wrapped it around the joint and glued it with a glue gun to provide more stability. For the base of the bamboo spouts, I used two bamboo poles and I used a rubber band to secure the two poles together. Using a power drill, I drilled a hole between the two bamboo poles and inserted a bamboo stick through the hole. The bamboo sticks allows me to adjust the two bamboo poles for the bamboo spout to be positioned on top of it. Once I've found the correct position for the bamboo spout, I just drilled a hole through the poles in the base of the bamboo spout and secured it with a bamboo stick. In here, I'm going to use a rotary tool to carve an opening in this bigger bamboo tube. In here, I'm using a small rotary sander to smoothen the rough edges. I then cut and prepared two smaller bamboo poles which will serve as a support for the bigger bamboo pipe. Bamboo wood changes color once exposed to water. To minimize this effect, it is important to cover the bamboo wood with a clear finishing sealer. A basic submersible pump will look something like this. So it has a cord and some power plug. The one that I bought has some LED lights and the pump itself. Most submersible pump comes with a valve, so to close it and then to open it so more water comes in. And once you open it, you will see the propeller inside, so it pushes water all the way up to the spout. To attach the LED lights, I just use some glue gun and attach the LED lights on the bigger bamboo tube. I tied the remaining black rope on the bamboo base for additional support. After attaching the submersible pump to the rubber tubing, I went on to test the water pump. In the future, I'll be placing this bamboo water fountain in a better looking container and maybe add some water plants on it as well. The sound of running water always gives a calming effect and provides a tranquil atmosphere in any indoor or outdoor space. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope I shared some simple tips on how I made my bamboo water fountain.